Hello Lafayette, I'm Jonathan Kadianagi, the Parks, Trails, and Recreation Director for the City of Lafayette, or as many of you know me, ACE from the Lafayette Community Center. Recently, we've been very excited to announce the Community Center Care Program and the summer camps that we're able to offer at the Community Center Community Park and Buckeye Fields this summer. Today, I want to talk to you about how and why we are able to offer those programs. It is because of you. It is because of you, the community, that we're able to offer these programs. It's because you practice that social distance, that physical distance. It's because you wear your face mask. It's because you wash your hands, use that hand sanitizer. You stay 6 feet away from each other while in the parks or out in the community. It is because you are practicing those mitigation measures that the county has been able to lift these guidelines as we enter this next phase that will allow for daycare programs. Is COVID-19 gone? Unfortunately not. COVID-19 is still very present around our community and maybe even in our community. It is now more important than ever that you continue to practice those mitigation measures. Wear your mask, wash your hands, use your hand sanitizer. Continue to practice those mitigation measures that will create that safe environment that we need so that we can operate programs like this and that we can all start to come together in the community once again. We're counting on you, Lafayette, and we know that you want to maintain that safe environment for our children as they come back to these care programs. You'll see when you visit the parks that many of the features may remain closed or unavailable or only available to these care programs. The restrooms will remain closed, the drinking fountains, the benches, the bleachers, all those high touch point areas that might be shared by the community if we were to come back to the parks and use them the way that we used to. Those will remain either closed or only available to the participants in the programs. We need to do so to ensure that those isolated groups of 12 remain as safe as possible. We do all have all the proper hand sanitizers and cleaning products that we need to ensure a safe and clean environment, but we need to limit their exposure as much as possible. You'll see if you're participating in one of those programs, we're asking for drop-off only. So the parking lots of those facilities will only be available for drop-off for those specific programs that are happening that will allow for care, that will allow for parents to get back to work. You'll also see that some of the facilities that have high draw, like the fields or the rink, will remain closed. We can't have those group gatherings that we saw as we started to enter the shelter in place, and many of those facilities will be utilized by those care programs. One of the programs that we're very excited that's coming back online is Lafayette Little League. They have worked directly with the county to develop protocol that will be posted at the park that will allow them to practice with their teams. They will not be playing games. They'll be maintaining social distance while at the parks, and their coaches will be wearing masks. But you will see a presence out on the fields because Lafayette Little League will be back at practice. The kids will getting some time to enjoy some baseball in the late spring and as we enter summer. We're very excited about this development, and we're very excited that the County Health Services is working directly with Lafayette Little League to ensure that that program is safe for everyone. So once again, Lafayette, we're really counting on you. You got us here. It is because you were Lafayette Strong, you wore your mask, you washed your hands, you exercised that physical distance. It is because of you that we got here, and it is going to be because of you that we get to keep these programs. So please continue to practice that physical distance. Always wear your mask. Stay safe while you're out there. Let's all stay safe and stay healthy and maintain that healthy, safe environment. So we thank you. We are Lafayette Strong. Have a great day.